Hey guys, it's Red Blade X, and this is another knex weapon that I made. It's the knife from Black Ops 3 Zombies, the one where you go like this and the knife. I also have my sniper rifle next to it if you guys didn't see. Uh, this one was also in uh, this one was in any kind of Call of Duty. I saw this one in Cold War. I'm not making it up. I remember that a lot of people liked my ray gun video, so I decided to make another one. I just wanted to be special. Oh yeah, by the way, for my next video, we're gonna be talking about the trend TV Squid Games and how to beat it. I accidentally did not do. I accidentally did this by accident. I didn't mean to do this. It was supposed to be a crossbow, but like from The Walking Dead. But I accidentally made it into a knife. Oh yeah, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And oh yeah, Scyther, if you're watching this, uh, I hope we can collab again. Those days were fun. This was this bothers me because the color is wrong. And I rarely have this color. The ones I usually have are white, just like this one or this one for the sniper rifle. This took me like a whole month to build. This one took me like a whole minute to build. And I just used this as spare pieces. I tried to make an axe once. Then I tried making a other knife, but I like this one better. I'm gonna keep it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll make more of these weapons. Bye.